Alright, so since I can't really go any further on the pipes till I get the part in from Breeze, is where I just ordered the part. Alright, finally got my part in from Breeze, so I can get these pipes done. This is a 1/4-inch spacer. So this should bump the pipes out just a little bit so that they'll line up just right with about 1 inch of space from the body to the pipe. I'm gonna get started on that now. Alright, I got the pipe down. I've already taken the one gasket off, the spacer, and the other gasket, and then stick them two back together. Got everything loose so that way it's got a lot of articulation. I can move it all around to do what I need to do. And I also pipes are on. Beat it, dog. Loose. Pipes are on, so that way got there's a little bit of a change in the size or the distance from the body right about here, and then this is a little tighter than I would like it to be, but it's pretty much right where it was with the factory 5 pipes, and it didn't really do any damage. Kind of a rough spot there. Anyway, so yeah, it went on pretty easy. I mean, just as long as you got the spacer went in here, really easy. Really nothing to it. So I ended up having to order another 1/4-inch spacer. So I have a 1/2 inch of space in here now. Had to get some longer bolts. But yeah, now it fits very well. Try them out. A bit of room in there now. Once it gets warm out, get your hand all the way down in there. I ran into another issue that I'll take care of in another video. That's my rooster.